Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to cover basic English sentences that you can use every day. These are perfect for beginners and will help you sound natural in daily conversations. Let's get started. 1. Greetings and introductions. It's always good to know how to greet someone and introduce yourself. You. Hello, how are you? Friend. I'm good, thanks. How about you? You. I'm doing well, thank you. 2. Asking for help. If you need help, these sentences will come in handy. You. Excuse me, can you help me? Stranger. Sure, what do you need? You. I'm looking for the bus station. 3. Saying thank you. It's important to be polite and express gratitude. You. Thank you for your help. A stranger. You're welcome. You. I really appreciate it. 4. Asking for directions. Getting around is easier when you know how to ask for directions. You. Where is the nearest supermarket? Stranger. It's just around the corner. You. Thank you so much. 5. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation. You. It's a nice day today, isn't it? Friend. Yes, the sun is shining. You. I love sunny days like this. 6. Asking for the time. If you need to know the time, here's a simple way to ask. You. Excuse me, what time is it? Stranger. It's 3:30 p.m. You. Thank you. 7. Making plans. If you want to make plans, here's how you can do it. You. Do you want to go to the movies this weekend? Friend. Sure. What time? You. How about 7 p.m.? 8. Asking for prices. If you're shopping, this sentence will help. You. How much is this shirt? Salesperson. It's $15. You. Great. I'll take it. 9. Saying goodbye. Ending a conversation politely is important. You. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. A friend. You too. Have a great day. You. Thanks, you too. 10. Offering help. It's always nice to offer help when needed. You. Can I help you with that? A stranger. Oh, thank you. That would be great. You. No problem. Let me carry that for you. And that's it for today's video on basic English sentences for daily use. These simple sentences will help you feel more confident and comfortable in everyday conversations. Practice them often, and you'll improve your English in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.